The gives us the result.
Okay. The
The
teacher. Ada S ke tak ada
gives
S?
ada
Give us the result. Okay. Present continuous tense.
the teacher is give us the result.
The teacher is. Is apa?
Gives
Okay. Give. Are you sure give? Present continuous tense. Dia ada is. Lepas is akan ada
giving
giving. Yes. Us the result. Okay. Past tense.
the teacher gave the result.
The teacher
Gave
gave. G-A-V-E. Okay, betul kan?
betul.
Give. Okay. The teacher.
Was
Okay. The teacher gave kan? Give us the result. Okay. Past continuous tense.
the teacher was was
The teacher
was
was
giving
giving
the
us
result.
the result. Okay. Okay. Present perfect tense.
The teacher
The teacher
has
has, okay,
given
given
us the result.
us the result.
Result.
Okay, next.
The teacher
The teacher,
has
the teacher had
given
given
the
us
result.
us the result. Eh?
Oh,
Okay, last kali, future tense.
the teacher will
The
give
teacher will give,
the result.
yes, us the result.